We should ask Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala for good health, and we should ask Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala for plentiful of sustenance. We should not ask for starvation and hunger. We should not ask for pain and injury. But if it does come, then immediately we turn our attention to the one who has sent it. Instead of looking at all the other causes, we turn towards the one who has sent that difficulty. And immediately we look at our own actions and our own deeds. Because the Quran Sharif makes it very clear that difficulties, hardships, we are talking about generally, it comes upon people because of their doings. It is not necessary that all the time it is a punishment, as I explained. It can be a means of elevation of the person's status. It could be a means of bringing the person closer to Allah Ta'ala. But in our condition, we know how much of sins we commit day and night. Even in those homes where there are calamities and disasters, those homes where people are suffering pain and injury, even in those homes, besides a day or two, after that again those same ways of life return. So much so that one brother tells me, he says a few months ago he went to one place where there was a death in the family. But because the janaza was still going to come from a distant place where the accident had taken place, so in that home, besides the room at the bottom, where there were a few people that were still waiting and shedding a few tears, but because there was some program that the family was addicted to, so the young children were still upstairs and the television set could be heard very, very clearly with its loud music and song and everything else that was going. Now, if this is our condition, that even calamities and disasters don't make us turn towards Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala, then what will make us turn towards Allah Ta'ala? So therefore, here we are talking about, in general terms, that is what happens. But even then, Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala sends it so that we turn towards Him, and He may make it a means of forgiveness for us.